Sometimes the most unbelievable things happen when we least expect them, and luckily, the camera is there to capture it all. From shocking close calls to once-in-a-lifetime events, this is incredible moments caught on camera. 142 Best of the Month. Get ready for a ride full of jaw-dropping moments you won't believe. Lava burst forth like a glowing molten river, unstoppable, untamed, and unforgettable. A Lancair LX7 turboprop comes in too fast, overshoots the runway, and veers off, crashing into a car on a public road. Miraculously, no serious injuries were reported, but it was a heart-stopping moment for everyone involved. A life was on the line. Strangers locked arms in raging floodwaters, risking their own safety to pull someone to shore. This unlucky car became a magnet for lightning. Talk about being in the wrong place at the wrong time. It started small, then twisted into a monstrous force of nature, tearing through everything in its path. The red car suddenly lost control, veered into another lane, and smashed into another vehicle. A terrifyingly close call caught on dashcam. This parrot doesn't just mimic, it performs. With pipes like these, we're waiting on its debut album. An excavator hung mid-air, but the tension snapped, literally. The cable gave way, and down it crashed in a heart-stopping moment. At first, it looked like harmless fun, but this gliding like a leaf with a secret, the leafy sea dragon, is nature's stealth swimmer, an underwater magician cloaked in elegance. A dazzling, 7-colored cloud lit up the sky like a painting in motion. Nature doesn't ask for attention, it just takes your breath away. Drones also helped firefighters battle blazes in hard-to-reach places where going in on foot would have been deadly. In another flood rescue, tech took over. A drone was used to safely pull a young man to safety without risking another human life. Science for the win. A sudden lightning strike sent this group of pigs into a hilarious panic. Their reaction? Equal parts shocking and adorable. One driver turned, the other didn't slow down. The result? A brutal T-bone crash right in the middle of the intersection. A massive container tipped and came this close to crushing multiple cars. Milliseconds made the difference. A driver slammed the brakes just in time to avoid tragedy. A reminder, always double-check before you step off the curb. A blue car tried to flee the scene just as the police pulled up. But luck ran out fast, and so did the road. It might just be a glass of water, but in the right moment, it's worth more than gold. Pure, priceless necessity. Who needs brute strength when you've got brain power? Sometimes, a clever idea can make everything fall right into place. Take it easy, driver. No need to hit warp speed just to get groceries. A mountain blasting operation unfolds in a place so stunning it feels surreal. Nature and engineering clashing and creating. If these incredible moments amazed you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for even more unbelievable footage every month. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next collection of incredible